Is crypto arbitrage trading profitable, my guys? That's what I'm gonna explain. Arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized exchange. So you buy from one platform at a lower price, sell them at a higher price in another exchange. So we had a live video and I got my winner for today for the capital. I told you all you need is to comment crypto arbitrage trading in 10 of my videos. Then you make sure you follow me and you do what I'll tell you. We started live trading today and it was a profitable one. So if you have any question about arbitrage trading, make sure you ask. And on today's trade, we'll be trading by buying assets at a low price in Binance. Actually, we have a challenge to 3,000 USDTs by the end of 4 days. So it will take us only 4 days to flip from 1,963 to 3,000 USDTs in just 4 days. So we are starting our journey now and we'll be receiving our funds in our Binance account. So basically we buy low on Binance, we sell high on Tranquilly, but the merchant will sell our profits direct to our Binance account. So no need to withdraw. That is what we'll be doing today, guys, in arbitrage trading. So let's copy our address. That is the first thing in Binance. And if you haven't funded your Tranquilly, you don't have an account with Tranquilly, make sure you go right now to your browser, search tranquilly.com, make sure you verify your email and KYC, then you fund your Tranquilly. After funding, come to assets. We did that in the live. If you are not there or if you didn't get how to fund, make sure you chat me or you comment how to fund Tranquilly and I will guide you. So come to add funds, click on deposit assets, click on USDT. We are trading USDT. Click on TRC20, copy your TRC20 address. Then in funding, you just come on deposit. Then depending on the cryptocurrency you want to fund, select cryptocurrency. So there is network. That is my network. So let me check my network, then come back. So it was my network, guys. You can see I'm back online. You come on deposit, then you choose, like, if you want to deposit USDT. We haven't started trading. That I'm showing you on how to deposit. You click on continue, you enter amount like 1,000, then you will continue and copy the address, go to your Binance, deposit to that address. You can use BEP20 or you can use TRC20 network. So let's make money with the arbitrage trading. We'll make at least $100 today. It is a weekend. We need some Hennessy's and so on. So arbitrage is where we'll get our money. So come to P2P arbitrage, click on sell, find the best rate. Find the best rate, my people. Find the best rate. BitSwap. Let's trade with BitSwap with only a capital of, let's say, 75. Should we try 75? No, it is a weekend. We want good profits. Let's try 100 USDTs. We can flip this 100 USDTs to 209 USDTs, 209 USDTs right now here as you are watching with P2P arbitrage trading. So the rate is 2.09. The merchant is BitSwap Elite. We are trading USDT Theater for USD. That is USDT and USD. You should know the difference between USDT and USD. So we are not receiving in our, no, this one, the minimum is 300, guys. So let's see. Let's see the one which is 139, not that, 71, that's 6 for 12, 58, 98. Let's try this one, with a capital of 100. I want more. With a capital of 200, I want more. I want more profits, guys. I want more profits. I want more profits. What should I do? What should we do? I'm not seeing a good rate for me. I'm not seeing a good rate. I'm not seeing a good rate, but let's try this one. 100. We get 107. You can trade with this so many times, like 5 times, and get around 70 USDTs. So we'll try with 100. Let's do 150, we get 158. So 158 is our take profit, but 8 is our take profit. Remember, we have a capital of 150. So I'll select my external wallet, then choose Binance, then paste my address here. So the more the profits, the more the capital, the more the capital, the more the profits in arbitrage trading, and review. Then I'll get this page for arbitrage trading where you see USDT sell 150, rate of 1.0, P2P tax 1.05, and P2P arbitrage is that one. So I'll be getting 155. So 155 is my profit. Then I confirm. The address is okay, my arbitrage is running, so 5 USDTs is my profit, which is somehow small. So tomorrow we'll do more and more practice and make more profits, guys. So that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading. We will be receiving in our Binance account. So let's wait, we check. After they pay, this arbitrage I'll come and show you. And I explained escrow in our trade and everything. So let's wait here as it is going on. So I'll pause the video, we get the funds, then we proceed.